Hi friends. Sorry, there was a slight delay from Google side. It assigned me out. Uh, I hope you guys can hear me. Please message if you can hear me. Can you hear me, guys? Cool. I think I can see my live. So let me start. Right. Uh, and last time I got this message that I should not be using this word. Right. I try to ensure that. Good evening. Uh, Today was a happening day. A lot of surprises that happened in Indian elections. I hope you all had your time watching the TV, following the updates, right? Um, okay. Uh, and also a huge crash in the stock market. Let's forget all that. Let's dive into another happening place, a much more crazy world, the world of meme coins. Uh, so Murugan has asked me to talk in Tamil. So internally we have taken a call. So this webinar will be in English. The next webinar we'll be doing it in Hindi and then Tamil, right? So there's going to be regular webinars every week. There's going to be a webinar, and we'll try to cover the languages that I am comfortable with. I can talk in Tamil, Hindi, and English. So I'll be doing webinar regularly in these three languages. Okay. So this webinar will be in English. The same webinar I'll also try to do it in Tamil and Hindi. Okay. Uh, why are meme coins important, right? If you look at meme coins, uh, some coins have gone in the last 1 year. You look at it, FLOKI has gone 750 percentage, PEPE has gone 1200 percentage, and this whiff dog whiff hat, it has gone 2300 percentage, which is very crazy. These kind of returns you don't see it in a span of single year in any other asset class, but it happens in crypto world, which kind of attracts a lot of people to invest in crypto. Most of our customers are more interested in meme coins than in bitcoins. So what makes meme coins successful, right? How do you choose the right meme coin, and uh, how do you invest, how do you exit, how do you analyze meme coins? These are the topics I'm trying to cover in this today's session. So these will be the agenda. We'll talk about history of meme coins, how meme coins came about, what makes something a meme coin, how do you define a meme coin, and how do you differentiate between good meme coins and bad meme coins. Next topic is how do we use tools that are available, free tools that will help you analyze these meme coins. And once you do this analysis, you find a good meme coin, you make an investment. How do you time this exit, right? These are the key topics that we'll see. And also I'll be talking about the top 5 meme coins that have done extremely well, right? We'll also look at the performance in the last 1 year, the total circulating supply. How do you look at each of those matrices and take the decisions? If you look at history of meme coins all started with Dogecoin. In 2013, an engineer, he created meme coin Doge just for a joke. At that point of time, this dog was kind of famous, and he thought, uh, why don't I use the same code for Bitcoin, make small modifications, and launch a new coin? And this is just for fun. This is my side project. This is not going to be a main project. I'm not even going to take money from it, right? This is what the idea was when they created meme coin called Doge, and Doge became an instant hit because this was an altruistic project. No one had any intention to make any money out of it. The coin price in the last 10 years has gone up, 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 and in the last 3-4 years, Elon Musk took a fancy of this particular coin, right? He made a lot of jokes on this Doge, and whenever Elon Musk used to mention the coin Doge, the price used to shoot right up. At some point, Elon Musk stopped making any more Dogecoin related tweets, especially after he acquired Twitter. But still, this is the largest meme coin by market cap, and it still is there. It did not have a lot of competition for a long time. Then Shiba Inu came into market. After Shiba Inu, you have like a whole lot of meme coins. You have like Baby Doge, you have Floki, Pepe, Bong, Whiff. Now we have like Cat in Dog's World. You also have like Trump meme coins, Biden meme coins. So people create meme coins just for fun. There is no reason or rhyme behind any meme coin. Anything you fancy, you can make a meme coin, right? There's an interesting topic, in the sense, there is Bitcoin, we understand what it does. There is Ethereum, I understand what it does. But what makes a meme coin a meme coin? So what people have kind of defined is, a meme coin is something that is without any utility. Bitcoin has a utility. Bitcoin can be used as payments, for settlements. It also has an L2 layer. It has a proper network where you can also, these days people are creating even NFTs on Bitcoin network, like ordinals. If you look at Ethereum, there's a lot of utility. So many tokens have been launched on Ethereum network. There is a proper DeFi network. There's a NFT community on Ethereum. All this Bored Ape and CryptoPunks. So many NFTs have launched on Ethereum network. So all these crypto coins have some utility. There is some usefulness. A lot of people use it on a daily basis for one purpose or the other. There's a possibility to store information in these places, right? If you compare that with a meme coin is supposed to be almost like an NFT, but this is more fungible, in the sense each Dogecoin is same as another Dogecoin. If you look at NFTs, each NFT is kind of unique. But with respect to meme coins, all meme coins are the same. If you have 10 Doge and you have 10 Doge, both are same. And the most important part is, there is no use at all, right? In the next 2 years or 3 years or 4 years, most probably you will not be using meme coin for any particular purpose other than buying and selling and holding them. But why does the price rise then? If you look at stocks in the traditional market, all the stocks have cash flows. If you look at Infosys, they do a business, they make revenue out of it. There is some expenses, then they make profit. From the profit, they give some dividends, they do share buyback. So you look at a stock, you can say that the stock is high value, low value, and everything. In crypto, it is more like commodity. It is like gold. What is the actual price of gold? What is the right price of gold? Is gold expensive or cheap in today's rate to buy or sell? It's very difficult to define, right? Because gold doesn't have cash flow. When you look at crypto, most of the cryptocurrencies don't have any cash flows. They don't have any inbuilt staking also. So in such cases, there is no way to say if Bitcoin is overpriced or not. Today, Bitcoin is around 60 lakh rupees. 1 year before, it was at like 15, 20 lakh rupees. And 3-4 years back, it was like at 1 lakh rupee also. So would you say that Bitcoin was cheap then? Bitcoin is expensive today. What happens if Bitcoin goes to 1 crore tomorrow? Would that make it cheap today? How do we even value something which has no cash flows? So with this same concept, try to come to meme coin. A meme coin without any utility, like a Doge coin or a Shiba Inu, are worth billions and billions of dollars. If you look at it, the overall meme coin market cap, when I last time checked, it was $80 billion. $1 billion is close to 8,300 crores, right? And multiply that with 100. That is the total market cap of meme coins. If all the meme coins are sold in today at the current prices, and if someone buys them, the people who sell meme coins, they will be making $100 billion. That is the value of something which actually does no useful work. So how does this whole thing work? So meme coins generate value from their community. There's a lot of people who come together, are identified by, let's say, SHIB army, Dogecoin army. They believe in this whole coin. They all identify by it, and through that, it gets value. A lot of people buy it and then they just keep it, and that is how the value comes, right? If you look at any asset class, for that matter, you look at gold, you look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, crude oil, the value comes from the fact that there's a lot of demand and very less supply. And when there's higher demand, people say I'll pay slightly higher price. Today Bitcoin at 60 lakhs, someone wants to buy, let's say, 10,000 Bitcoins. He's not able to buy at 60 lakhs. What he will do, he will try to increase the price to 61 lakhs, 62 lakhs, 63 lakhs, maybe 65 lakhs. At some price he'll be able to get a buyer, right? Some people will be able to sell to him at that price. This is what happens in even real estate. If you have a very good real estate in the heart of the city, right, and if someone desperately wants to buy that land, they will be able to increase the price. At some point the seller capitulates and he sells it. If you have a good community and the overall community believes in the particular project and they don't dump their holdings and they all hold their coins, at some point of time, if a lot of new customers are coming into the community, the price will go up. This is how things work. But in the last 1 or 2 years, this has become extremely crazy. In May alone, last month, in Solana, 4,55,000 tokens were created, and 99% of them were meme coins. Because to create a project with utility, there's a lot of work. To create a project without utility, it's very, very easy. In Ethereum layer 2, right, called Base, there are 1,77,000 tokens that were created. In BNB chain, 40,000 tokens were created. In Base, in April, again, another 2,40,000 tokens were created. So these days, there are more creators of meme coins than buying meme coin. So it takes hardly a minute to create a meme coin. If you go to Google, search how to create my own meme coin on Solana ecosystem, you will be taken to a website where in 2 minutes you pay like a small amount of Solana, it will create a meme coin for you. That is all that is, right? After that, you need to provide a little bit of liquidity so that if someone wants to buy that meme coin from you, they'll be able to purchase from you. And if they want to sell that meme coin back to you, you should be able to purchase. So you provide some liquidity to a DEX and your project is ready. It's launched. So now the question comes, what do you do next? You want to buy a meme coin, you want to sell a meme coin, or you want to create a meme coin? How do you go about it? So creating a meme coin is very easy, but getting someone to believe in that meme coin, it's almost like you create an app like Facebook. Exactly, it does everything that Facebook does. But how do you convince people that this is going to be better than Facebook? That is the difficult part, right? Anyone in the world can create an exact replica of Facebook or even Google for that matter. But how do you make people use a particular product app? That is where the difficulty lies. There is so many e-commerce websites. There is Amazon, there is Flipkart, there is Jabong, there is Snapdeal, and every day new websites keep coming up. You have like Myntra, you have Mizo. The success of a particular product is not in the just in the engineering part of it. It's also in getting customers to use that particular product, customers to come and buy in that concept. So that is the problem with meme coins also. When Doge was created, there was no competition. Doge was the only meme coin in town, so it was an easy sell, right? And then Shiba, came a little bit of marketing they had to do. They sent some tokens to Vitalik Buterin. Vitalik Buterin, it was there in his cold wallet, so he was not selling for some time. So it kind of got a craze. And when Elon Musk started making this tweets about Doge, uh, so they realized that Doge is kind of a Shiba Inu type of dog. So Shiba Inu price went up. Then the name of the Shiba Inu dog was FLOKI. So FLOKI meme coin went up. So all these are very random things. There is no, in any of these things, there's no utility. It is just a fashionable thing and it was a joke and the joke caught on. It is almost like all these meme templates that you see in Facebook, Twitter, everyday basis, right? In Instagram. And some meme templates are really popular. No one has monetized it. But if you look at crypto ecosystem, the meme templates get monetized either in the form of NFT or in the form of meme coins. Doge is the biggest example. It was just a dog at the end of the day. And then there is this Bob. Ask the Bob. You can ask any question to Bob. So Bob became a meme coin. The frog became Pepe. Right? Anything that you see with a meme content became an idea for a new coin. And if that idea was a little bit original, it got more community followers. If the idea was like a duplicate, everyone is creating the same kind of thing, then that idea lost value. That is this whole concept about meme coins. So how do you buy meme coins? There are, like I explained, there are like more than 1 million meme coins now. There are established meme coins with $1 billion market cap. Then there are newly launched meme coins with less than 1 lakh meme market cap also. A lot of people, they make a mistake of trying to go all in on this nano cap. It's very difficult to find a good nano cap coin. The reason being, there are so many of them. It's very difficult to pick one good thing. So what you need to do is, you don't have to pick a meme coin on the day it was created. You wait for it to have some kind of a gain, right? uh, just let me check if it's coming properly. Yeah. I'm just checking the comments, so ensure that everything is going smooth. uh, I hope everyone is able to hear me clearly. Let me know if you are having any kind of issues, if you're not able to hear my stream clearly. I just wanted to check this. Okay. Um, so, like I said, don't make this mistake of buying meme coin on day one of the launch. You just wait it out. And once you see that a particular meme coin is gaining traction, try to do some kind of fundamental analysis. There is this useful tool called birdeye.so. I have made a mistake. So it's not birdseye. So this website, so when you go to this website, you will get a terminal like this. So there you can see the trending tokens. You will also have an option to find gems. There are also, you have a place where you can see all large trades that are happening. Who is buying which token at what value, which address bought it, and there is even a separate tool called Find Gems. You can go to Explore tab. There you will be able to find this option called Find Gems, and you can choose the ecosystem in which you want to buy tokens. Right now, a lot of things are happening on Solana ecosystem, so that is a narrative to go about. So go to choose Solana here, and then you can try to explore all the gems. uh, to start off with, don't put too much money, right? This is all assume that you're going to lose all this money, because it's almost like buying lottery tickets. uh, Lottery tickets are banned in some of the states in the country, but it's still actively being sold in a lot of places. So in your experience, if you have bought lottery tickets, the kind of expectation you hold, it's very little, right? You will be optimistic that you might win the prize, but most likely you're not going to win it. So you're not going to invest too much in the lottery ticket. So the same philosophy applies here. So whenever you're buying a meme coin, don't put too much money. Invest the smallest amount of money you can. First, gain experience. Most of the times you're going to lose, right? 99 out of 100 times, the meme coin project you are going to invest is going to go to zero. There is 1% chance it might go to a good number. So within this also, there are different categories of meme coins. There are established meme coins which have done phenomenally well. If you look at like I already explained, right? Bonk has done around 1,200%, not even that, 5,000% in the last 1 year. If you look at Bonk token alone, Shiba Inu, despite it being there for like more than 4 or 5 years, it has given like more than 200, 300% in the last 5 months alone. So all these coins have done extremely well despite not being a nano coin. So these are established coins. So it is not that you have to find this 100x gem. That is the only time you will make money. You can also reduce the risk by going into established meme coins. So these are two different things. Launching in a nano cap meme coin is a different task. Investing in an established meme coin is a different task. Both are not same. So don't try to mix within your mind, and allocate your portfolio accordingly. You can invest 20% in this nano cap coins and 80% of your meme coin budget in meme coin coins. Uh, Even in the last presentation I was trying webinar I did, I was explaining you should have some kind of a strategy. Randomly investing random coins, at some point of time you'll be holding 50 coins, 100 coins in your portfolio, and you'll not know what to do with it. If you have a clear strategy why you are buying a particular coin, when you are going to sell it, at what price you will sell it, all those things, if you have clarity beforehand, it's very easy. If you don't have any clarity and you're randomly, today you are reading this boys, so you're buying this boys, tomorrow some other coin is trending, you're buying that coin, day after tomorrow you're buying Solana, after that you're buying Ethereum. So we are having like 20-30 coins. What are you going to do with that coin? When are you going to sell them? How do you book profits? When the price goes down, do you sell it or you hold it or you add more? All these are big problems if you don't have a plan beforehand. So try to construct a portfolio. So what I would normally suggest is 80% of your money, try to put in Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are two established coins with the strong track record, strong utility, and they have survived multiple cycles. So it is prudent. So even if you zoom out, right? If you have like overall 1 lakh rupees, I'll say only put 5,000 rupees in crypto. 95,000 rupees you have to keep outside. You can put it in gold, mutual funds, direct stocks, wherever you want. You can put only 5% of your overall investment should be in crypto. Even within that, this 5%, you have to put 80% in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin has done 400%. 400% is very, 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 very good return in any asset class. But people want more than that. So this greed is what is making people incur loss. So don't be extremely greedy. 100%, 200% is also a very good return. It's funny to say that, but it is very, very true for crypto ecosystem, because if you look at India, the largest asset being held by Indians is Shiba, not Bitcoin or Ethereum. It should ideally be Bitcoin. If you look at globally, Bitcoin is the largest held asset. That is the reason it's number one in market cap. But within India, if you look at across exchanges, if you look the reserves, whatever has been published, and even within Giottus, you find that most of the people hold Shiba. Retrospectively, they have made a lot of money because Shiba has given like 200-300% growth. But that doesn't mean people made right decisions at that point of time. It is better to take slightly lesser risk, invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So you invest 80% in Bitcoin and Ethereum, remaining 20% of the money you have, right? Even in this 15% you give to this mid-cap coins. You can put in Solana, you can put in BNB. There is Matic, which has not performed well in the last 1 year. There is other AVAX and the SUI, Arbitrum, Optimism. So all these mid-cap coins are there, right? Put some 15% in that. Remaining 5%, you take a risk, invest in meme coins. Let's see what comes out of it. This is like 95% you are slightly responsible. 5% you're going to take extreme amount of risk. Now you have a mindset of buying lottery tickets. So now which lottery ticket to buy is the next question. Even within that, you can have again an approach of allocating part of this money to established meme coins. We will talk about established meme coins in the second half, right? And a small amount, like 1% of this overall investment within crypto, you can put it in these kind of nano cap coins, because 99% this money is going to go to zero. But if it's going to become a hit, you might get 100x returns, right? 1 rupee can become 100, or 99 rupees can go to zero. Both can happen. You should be ready for all this, and based on this you make a choice. So within this, again, this is an art. There's no right or wrong method. So you look at how much trading volume happens. At least you need to ensure that there is a 50 lakh or like 1 crore of trade volume. That is when you will also be able to sell and exit. If there is only 10,000 rupees of trading that is happening in a particular coin, you might be able to buy it. But when you want to sell it, you'll not find any buyer. So that is very, very important. You need to have a sufficient 24-hour volume to ensure that when you want to sell, there is always a buyer. Don't go into coins which has less than 1 lakh of daily trade volume. It's an extreme risk. You will be able to buy. Even the coin might go up in price, but when you want to sell, you'll find that you're not able to sell your amount. So people say that the entry door is always big. You'll be able to enter the room, but exit is always small. You'll have to rush. When people are booking profits, everyone will want to sell. At that point of time, if there are no buyers, it doesn't make any use. So it's very, very important you find last 24-hour volume and have a minimum cutoff. Don't buy coins which have too little of trade volume. Also see what is the number of traders. So in this, you can see that number of traders for Solana is around 5 lakh people. For USDC, which is a stable coin, people are using stable coin to trade, there's like 100,000 people, 1 lakh people basically. WETH, USDT, WBNB, WETH, this is all wrapped BNB, wrapped ETH, USDC again. So these are all already established coins, right? These are technically not gems, because I have chosen this 24-hour volume highest. You are seeing all this. If you choose top gainers, try to look at coins only with decent amount of number of traders and number of volume. Also understand There will be a lot of manipulation also. One person with his friends, he might be trading between themselves to create fake volume and fake increase in price. There is so many dirty games that are happening in meme coins. So most likely that is the reason again and again I am saying these nano coins are like mostly scams. Mostly scams. They create a coin, they try to little bit hype it up and then dump on you, and then they go ahead and create another new coin. That is the reason why we have around 5 lakh tokens, right? You have like 5 lakh tokens. If I have to list it, right, even in Excel is not enough, because Excel has a, or like, there are so many coins, you don't even know the alphabets, you don't even know the names, and these names also keep repeating. It's very hard to keep track of all the coins if 5 lakh coins are getting listed every month, right? So it's very, 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 very important in ensuring you limit your risk. Don't invest too much in meme coins, and even within meme coins, invest most in established coins and invest very, very little in smaller coins. So now, based on some of the analysis, try to find, you can also join the Discord group, Telegram group, follow the social media handle if they have. So to understand how many people talk about it, what is the narrative, and you don't have to invest today. You can take 1 or 2 weeks time, shortlist 10-15 tokens, join the community, do the analysis, and then make a purchase. Because these are extremely high risk coins, I'm not making any suggestions, any recommendation of any nano cap coin, because I don't want to be held on to it, and it's extremely risky. There is very little information about these coins, so it's very, very difficult to give recommendations. That's why I've given you a tool where you can do your own research. Try to click each and every link within this to understand how this whole thing works. Then the next step is you can top up a little bit of Solana in your Phantom wallet, link it to this website, and you'll be able to directly purchase whichever coin you want through the Jupiter Dex, which is integrated within this platform. All those things are very easy. The difficult part is finding right token to buy. For that, please spend some time. Don't buy your first token within 10 minutes of going to this website. Spend a lot of time, try to understand, or you can even make a note in paper. Say, today I am thinking these 10 coins. So tomorrow you can check how those 10 coins have performed. By this, you'll also understand whether you are making right decisions, wrong decisions, why a particular coin went up, why a particular coin did not go up. As long as you're dependent on a third person for making the choices, you will never make enough money in crypto. You need to do your own research. That is when you'll have a fair understanding. But you can look at all the tools, how other people use tools. There is so many bird eye tutorials within YouTube. You can search for how to use bird eye to find 100x gem. There will be a lot of videos. Do all this research, but finally you make your own decision. Don't go by someone else's decision. Once, let's assume you have purchased a token. Now it is the next important part. Now you need to keep track of this token. What is happening to this token? Whether token price is going up, whether the volume is going up, whether the number of traders are going up, and how many 90% of the tokens, is it being held by 5% of the people, 10% of the people? How many whales are there? Are smart wallets buying? In Twitter, you can find smart wallets. These are people who are very, very experienced and they have a track record. You can go to Nansen, and there are a lot of DeFi wallet trackers, the wallets which have made a lot of money by trading meme coins. So by understanding what each of these smart wallets have done, that is also another way to look at good promising coins. Again, these people also might manipulate, because none of these people are interested in teaching you. All they are interested in is making more and more money. They also know that a lot of people are watching their wallets. So be extremely, extremely careful in doing this. That is why do it with small amount of money, so that you learn from the experience. And if you're able to convert small money into large money, take your initial capital out and trade with your profits. In that way, your risk is very, very minimal. If you are losing all your capital, better to stay away from this market. Don't bring fresh funds. That will be my advice. It's up to you. But if I'm going to do it, that's how I will do it. Next, once you have bought a meme coin, these are the key things that you can look when to sell meme coins. Because most of these 99.9999% of these meme coins are going to go to zero in the next 3 to 6 months. It is very rare for a meme coin to survive because there are so many 500,000 meme coins. There is no space for 500,000 meme coins. As an exchange, we have 250 coins that are listed with us. Maybe we can list another 50 coins. I cannot list 500,000 coins. So what that means is most of the people will get tired of holding to a meme coin and they're going to sell. When a lot of holders sell, the price is going to go to zero. So it's very, very important. Even if the meme coin price is going up, you need to book your profit. When you are booking profit is very, very, very important. So first thing you have to look at is, if the market cap of the coin is very small, but the 24-hour trading volume is very, very, very high. In fact, the 24-hour trading volume is more than the market cap. This is a good sign. When this kind of thing happens, you need to watch out and try to exit as soon as possible, or just be very vigilant. Try to see if any sign of weakness, if the price shows slight signs of crashing, exit. Because the idea of meme coin trading is not to hold the meme coin for a long term, especially these nano cap coins. I'm not talking about the major meme coins, I'm talking about the minor meme coins. This is only for the minor meme coins. Shiba Inu, Floki, Pepe, Bong, they have shown enough strength. Maybe you don't have to follow these 6 rules for these established coins. What I'm talking, these 6 coins are for this 100x gems you are tracking, which are less than, let's say, 1 million or like 10 million market cap. So next is on the higher time frame. If the price is crashing and it's not able to create a new high, you're only having a lower high. I think you all understand what a lower high means. It means that if the Bitcoin price goes to $60,000 and then it crashes to, let's say, 40,000, and it goes up, but it can only come up to 55. It's not crossing the 60. So that means it's a high, but it's a lower high. It's less than 60K. So when chart hits a lower high and doesn't have any strength to create a new high, at that point of time, you can think of an exit. Look at the number of people who are holding these coins. The Sol scan, Ether scan, BSC scan. If you search for that contract in that, the website itself will give you how many people, how many wallets are holding. And also keep track. See, normally in all these meme coins, there will be like 10 or 20 people holding majority of the meme coins. Try to see what they are doing. If these people are buying or selling, is very, very important. If some of the large sellers are dumping because they hold 90% of the supply, the price might crash very, 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 very fast. So if big investors show any inclination of selling, you also need to sell immediately. Next is only applicable if it is listed in a larger exchange. So whenever in the futures, if the funding rates move from a negative to a positive, at that point of time, again, you can sell. And the last is, what I have seen so far is, whenever a good meme coin gets listed in Binance, there's a heavy dumping. People who have been holding it for a long time, just before Binance listing happens, there is a huge pump that happens. But the moment it's available on Binance, people start selling it, and the price crashes for like next 1 week, 1 month, and some of the coins bounce back. Some of the coins never cross that high at all. And also, the most important thing is the overall trend is also important. We are in a bull run right now. So in bull run, the prices go up. But if the larger trend becomes negative, when the Bitcoin price goes below and doesn't make a new all-time high, most likely within the next 3 to 6 months, meme coins will also reach the peak and they will also start crashing. When Bitcoin crashes, it crashes 60%. Meme coins will crash 90, 95, or even 99%. Right? When it goes up, it goes more than Bitcoin. When it goes down, it will go more than and beyond Bitcoin, and it might even go to zero. Meme coins rarely survive a cycle. Good coins with good utility, they survive multiple cycles. Solana was there in last cycle, it's again there in this cycle. Bitcoin was there, Bitcoin is here. Some of the meme coins, Doge, Shiba Inu, Floki, they have done well. Some of the meme coins, like say Saitama, they have continuously lost value. So it's very, very, very important that you not just buy meme coins, you also sell it at the correct time. That is when you make all the profit. And even after all this, you do all the steps following correctly, then also you might make a loss. So only invest a small amount of money which you are prepared to lose. So if I want to summarize, the first thing is, there is no science here. even if you're extremely talented, if you're having extremely amount of skills and knowledge, it is still a game of chance. It is a probability. It's like rolling a dice. There is like a 50% chance you're good, 50% chance you are bad. Actually 90% chance that you fail and 10% chance you succeed. So understand this and invest only small amount of money. It's a game of probability. You never know how this is going to turn out. No one can guarantee it. And whatever you are doing meme coins, it should not affect your overall portfolio, overall trading strategy, because meme coins is a small strategy. Whatever happening in meme coins, if it affects your overall portfolio, then it becomes a mess. What will happen is the Bitcoin price might go up, Ethereum price might go up, the mid cap price might go up, but because your full focus is on meme coins, you will miss out on all that less risk rallies. It's not that there's no risk there. There is also risk on that side as well. Bitcoin price also can dump, but there are higher chances that meme coins will crash. So have a separate portfolio for your large cap, mid cap coins, and a different portfolio for your nano cap meme coins, and a different portfolio for this larger meme coins, which we will see. And for most of the meme coins, try to have a strict stop loss. Even if stop loss is not available as in DEX, you can manually track it and say, mentally be prepared that if it crashes by 20%, I'm going to sell at this and exit. I'm not going to hold, because most of the meme coins, when they dump, they don't bounce. They just die. And if you know technical analysis, it's going to be extremely useful. You'll see buying opportunities. You'll see the strength of that bull run. You'll see how the trend is. All those things will be extremely useful. So you can apply whatever skills you are applying for large cap. Like if you're looking at fundamentals, here also there are fundamentals like how many wallets are holding, uh, how much new buying is happening, what is the percentage of whales holding versus retail holding. So those kind of fundamental analysis again you can do in meme coins as well. You can do technical analysis as well, and also you can look at market sentiment in Twitter. What is the narrative for this particular coin? If a narrative is going, an a coin like Turbo did really well. So it's very important you do all this analysis, and then if you invest, there is a slightly higher chance of success. If you are going to invest blindly without using any tools, buying random tokens just because your friend said or it's being mentioned in a group, higher the chance you will fail. But if you do your own research, you improve your chances. This is like Virat Kohli training. Whenever he trains, it is higher chance that he performs better in the match. So this I covered. I'll talk about the top meme coin tokens that have done really well in the last 1 year. And you'll also understand why these meme coins are, what is so special about these meme coins. And if you're going to buy nano coins, you can also see if they have some of these qualities that these meme coins have. So largely what has happened is after Doge, most of the meme coins come with some kind of an animal. If you look at it, WIF is called dog WIF hat. The full name, the symbol is WIF. In the last 5 months, so I have most of the coins, I have taken last 5 months data from January 1, how they have performed. WIF has given 2000% growth. And narrative has been the last 4-5 months, all Solana based meme coins have done well. Doesn't mean other platform meme coins will do badly, but Solana meme coin has been the narrative, and in between base as an ecosystem, it got a little bit of narrative, and again it's back to Solana. So this is the time when uh, Solana based meme coins like WIF, PEPE, Bong, all of them had extremely good run. If you look at the market cap, right? Overall, Dog WIF hat has a market cap of $3.2 billion, and it's ranked 32 in the overall coin market cap. And the volume is still healthy, $600 million. A lot of people make this mistake, right? Of looking this number 3.227, the price, and say that okay, dog whiff is expensive when I compare with Shiba Inu, because Shiba Inu is, if you look at Shiba Inu, I have somewhere here, yeah. So it is 0.0002374. So Shiba Inu is cheap, but whiff is expensive. But that is not the case. If you want to compare two meme coins, you should only look at market cap. If you look at fully diluted market cap, Shiba Inu is, if you look at the last line, Shiba Inu is almost close to $14 billion. But if you look at WIF, it is just $3 billion. So Shiba Inu is 5 times as big as WIF, even though the price of Shiba Inu is 0.0000 something. So this is very, very important. Don't look at the price at all. If you want to understand if a coin is higher or lower when you compare with another meme coin in terms of market cap, you have to only look at market cap. Don't look at the price at all. Price is meaningless. You can have 10,000 SHIB as one coin also. In that point of time, the price will be higher. So it makes no sense. What you need to look at is fully diluted market cap is what you have to look at when you compare two different meme coins. So similarly, Bonk has done 146% in last 5 months, and if you look at overall 1 year, it has given more than like 5,000% returns. Yeah, it has gone like more than 50 times. And this is the overall start. When Bonk started going really up, that is when all the other meme coins. So this was the first meme coin based out of Solana that did really, really well, and everything else followed. If you look at overall fully diluted market cap, Bonk is also close to $3 billion. So a lot of these meme coins are in this $3 billion range. And even Bonk, again, like I said, it is based on Solana, and again, it's a dog-based meme coin. Now you look at frog-based meme coins. So my co-founder Vikram, he has made a small video on this: dogs versus cat versus frogs. What makes the right meme coin? I don't want to comment on that, but the characteristic of PEPE is it is again a frog-based meme coin and is on Ethereum network. The market cap of PEPE, if you look at it, it is $6 billion, and it is coming into the top 20 right now. There is a small dip in the price. The price has crashed 6%, but last 1 year, 5 months, it has given almost 1,000% returns. If you had put 100 rupees, it would be close to 1,000 rupees today. If you had put 100 rupees on Jan 1st. I'm not talking about all meme coins that have not done well. That will also be part of this slide. So it's very, very important. It's not that all meme coins have done well. Most of the meme coins have done well, but this is the season. That doesn't mean that next 6 months this performance will be repeated. There's a chance it might. There's a chance it might not. There's also a possibility of a crash because things cannot keep going up. So Turbo, the specialty was it was called the first ever meme coin created by an AI. So in ChatGPT, the founder asked, create a meme coin for me, and it created Turbo. That is the narrative the founder gave, and it has done 1,800% in the last 5 months. Sorry, it didn't enter top. Sorry, this is mistake. Sorry. It has done 1,800%. And if you look at the market cap, it is still $500 million only. And that is the reason why it is ranked 235. So don't look at this price, look at the fully diluted market cap. Because of this, the rank is 235. It is not in the top 200. So it has done very well in the last 5 months. But last week, there is some dip in the markets. We don't know whether this is going to be a lower high or it's going to make new high. So we have to be very, very careful when we invest in these kind of coins. So Mu. So what happened was most of the meme coins were dog-based meme coins. So someone thought, why can't I make a cat-based meme coin? And he named it that way. Cat in a dog's world. That is the name of this meme coin. So this is the meme coin that has not performed very well in the last 1 month. After launch, the price has slightly come down. But the thing that it is like a cat-based meme coin, it has got some of the narratives, some of the trends. So something we need to see. Among the cat-based meme coins, this has the largest market cap. Overall, it's ranked 180. It is still better than Turbo when you look at the market cap ranking. But because it listed at a very high price, it has not performed really well. It has gone down by 15% in the last 1 month. Then there is Maneki, which has given 40%. This is yet another Solana-based meme coin, and this is also based on cat. This is based on some Japanese anime character. So people are making these kind of random cartoon based like Shaktiman, Pokemon, some Goofy. So whatever name they can find which they fancy, they're making meme coins out of it. Some of them have been able to build a community, build a story around this. This is almost like movies, right? Certain stories we like, certain stories we don't like. If we like the story, we stick to it. If we don't like the story, we don't stick to it. Or you look at a song, some songs you like, some songs you don't like. Meme coins are almost like that. If it catches the imagination of most of the people, it becomes a hit. if most of the people don't care about a particular coin, they have a slow death. I have kept this for the last, Shiba Inu and Doge, which are the original meme coins. Whatever you are seeing in the meme coins right now, you had the Shiba Inu doing it in the previous cycles. Uh, so every time there's a stock of Shiba Inu, how many zeros it's going to drop in the cycle. It has already dropped a few zeros. It used to be 0.000 something. Now it is only 4 zeros after the decimal. My co-founder Vikram has made a video on if Shiba Inu can reach $1 at any point of time and what would make that happen. So it is an interesting video. So you can go find it in Giottus Twitter handle, and I think it's also there in YouTube. So Shiba Inu, the fun fact is, it is the largest held asset in India. Most of the people, for them, the largest holding that they have is of Shiba Inu, and thankfully, fortunately, Shiba Inu has done really well. It's a high risk asset because it's a meme coin. There have been talks of building a roadmap for it. They have a bone leash. There is a concept of Shibarium, SHIB swap, multiple things they have tried to build around a meme coin. It started as a pure meme coin. Now with such a large community, they are thinking, why don't I behave like a utility based coin? Why don't I build a proper roadmap? Why don't I build products that people can use? So that has been there in the work for like last 1 year. We are yet to see something concrete. There are other meme coins which I have not mentioned here, is like FLOKI, which has done reasonably well. So when it comes to meme coin, these coins have done extremely well. It has given good returns to people who have bought so far, but past performance is not prediction of future. So within meme coins, always treated as a high risk asset. These meme coins are slightly less risky when we compare to nano cap assets. So based on that, you can make your portfolio allocation. uh, so even see Doge, despite it being there for like 10 years now, in the last 5 months, it has 76%. Most of the other coins, if you look at Shiba Inu, it is there in Ethereum and BSC chain. If you look at Maneki, it is Solana based. If you look at Mu, it's Solana based. But Doge has its own network, right? It is one of the few meme coins, or like the only meme coin with its own network, and this is the original meme coin. And incidentally, last month, the dog with which this whole thing happened, the inspiration for that Dogecoin, uh, it died. So there are like a lot of news in Twitter around that. So these are the things about meme coins. So if you have any questions, please post them in the chat. I'll go from the start and answer one by one. Shiba Inu future, Raja Subramanian. So I think Vikram has made a video if Shiba Inu can ever go to $1. The good thing about Shiba Inu is it's a very strong community. You make any post in Twitter about Shiba Inu, you see hundreds of people commenting on it, engaging with it, which kind of shows that there's a lot of fan following for Shiba Inu. A lot of people are holding Shiba Inu. Hope it goes higher. If most of the people who hold Shiba Inu, they don't sell at all, the price can go high. If people leave Shiba Inu for a new meme coin, they sell Shiba Inu and then they take position in FLOKI, DOGE, right? That is when the price of Shiba Inu goes down and other meme coins go up. So it's a fashion based thing. So whatever trending that works, it's very difficult to say which will be successful. So I am not going to give you a clear expectation saying that Shiba Inu will do well, but higher chances of Shiba Inu doing well because last 2-3 years it has done well. It has given good profit to people. So whenever an asset has given good profit to people, it is more likely that people hold it for a longer amount of time rather than assets which are given them losses, which people quickly sell. Any update regarding Beldex coin? I think Beldex is a scam. Please stay away. If you have made any investments, try to exit. It's an MLM based coin. Most of the MLM based coins are like ticking time bombs. The moment we don't know when it's going to explode, so it's better to put it to someone else's hand, because Beldex coin has been saying they are going to build an exchange for like 6 years now, and they have not built anything. It's just another meme coin, but They promise fixed returns, they promise X returns, which is very difficult. In life, in India, only fixed deposits like 7.5 percentage are guaranteed. Even that, the guarantee is only for 5 lakhs. If the bank goes uh, bankrupt, then there is no guarantee above 5 lakhs. Up to 5 lakhs, the Reserve Bank of India guarantees. So anything above 8% returns, if you are expecting, you are taking some risk. If you are putting your money in mutual funds, stock market, uh, crypto, or in meme coins, it can go up, it can also go down. It even in real estate, even in gold, if there is a chance of going up, there's also chance of the price dipping. The only thing that is safe is a fixed deposit. So when people sell you a crypto coin stating that guaranteed return, guaranteed to reach this price, be very 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 careful. Even with respect to Bitcoin, there's no guarantee. Can even tomorrow it can dip to $50,000 or $40,000. Anything can happen. There is no guarantee. It is only that Bitcoin has strong fundamentals. It is likely to go up. There is no guarantee it will go up. So any coins anywhere where people say guarantee this is the price target, please stay away, because everything is probability. There's no guarantee here. Priyanshu says, I want this video link. This video will be available in YouTube. You can watch anytime you want. Amsat says Pepe, ladies, cock, are the best meme coins. I think it's up to Amsat Kumar. Ladies also has given a fantastic return. I think it has given like 2000, 3000% return for people who invested very early. Like for every successful meme coin, there are also 10 other failure meme coins. Not all your meme coin investments are going to be successful. If it has given you profit, Amsat, I'm happy for you. But I don't want to declare a particular meme coin as the best meme coin, because meme coins have no utility. Whatever gives you good profit is a good meme coin. That's how I will say. Dian Beldex not listed in the exchange. This is the reason we don't believe in that particular coin, because there is an MLM concept to this whole coin, which is kind of illegal in India. Jennifer says, please Tamil translated. I'll do a separate video on this same concept in Tamil. Which is better for earning? Lover Boys has asked. Interesting question. See, most of the assets, it's easy to make money by just pure investment. You buy, do nothing, you might make money. But if you are doing a lot of trades, unless you know how to do it, most probably you'll be making losses. So be very, very, very careful. Earning opportunities of like 1% every day, 5% every day, guaranteed. Most of these are scams. Stay away from all this. Try to learn how to trade, and you can always do some arbitrage trading. In Giottus exchange, some people make guaranteed money by buying something in the USDT. Like for example, Tron USDT, people buy some Tron and sell it in Tron INR if the Tron INR buy price is higher. So these kind of arbitrage are generally zero risk opportunities. You buy at 50 rupees and sell at 51 rupees, and you make 1 rupee profit. There is some fees that Giottus charges. There is a tedious aspect to it, so you have to build that to the price. So if the price is 50 in the USDT market, if it is 53 or 52 or 51.5, at that point of time you can buy there and sell here. That is like the easiest earning opportunity, but the opportunity is limited. Maybe you can make 1000 rupees, 500 rupees per day, and if a lot of people do the same thing, then that opportunity is also gone. So you have to look at other coins. We have like 250 coins, so keep watching out for these kind of arbitrage opportunities. And you can even bring coins from outside and sell if you don't want to buy, you don't want to pay TDS. So, and we also have fixed rewards where you earn 5 to 10 percentage on coins just by holding, by putting it in a fixed deposit kind of a scheme. We call it fixed rewards. And we also have a staking option for coins which support staking. So these are other opportunities to earn passive income. Bandi says in last bull run, Shiba gives 1 crore return. In bull run, in this bull run, which coin will be? See, actually, there is a funny thing. Normally, in the bull markets, first Bitcoin pumps, then the alt season happens, then at last comes the meme coins. People say that bull run is over when meme coins are pumping. In this bull cycle, exact opposite has happened. It started with meme coins, then Bitcoin price increased. So I'm not really sure how this every cycle seems to be different. So we need to be very watchful. So, but if something is going to give you good returns in a reasonable time frame with lower risk, I think I've already covered these coins. Doge, SHIB. Doge may not give you extremely high returns, but things like Maneki, FLOKI, some of these coins you can look at, but don't invest too much money. There's high chances most of these coins fail, because meme coins, like I said, there's no guarantee. PyCoin, someone has asked. PyCoin is another scam. There's been no major exchange which has listed PyCoin. It is just a private network that keeps going. Someone says they will buy the PyCoin. I don't know what people do with PyCoins. Stay away from PyCoin. If you don't find it in any major exchange, stay away from that coin. Most probably it's a scam. Murugan says, I cannot deposit in Giottus. See, we have a customer care. Please call the customer care. Sorry. Just give me a second. So we both have an email and call. We also have a chat. You open the website and immediately there is a chat window that pops up in the bottom. If you are facing any issues with Giottus platform, you can also mention it here. If I can solve it, I will solve it right now. Or you can always reach out to our Telegram support, our email support, phone support, or chat support. We try to resolve all the queries within 24 hours. Murugan says, GPay, PhonePe, I cannot deposit. So we have a separate option for UPI through which you can deposit. I think you should call our customer care. They will try to understand why this is happening, because we are regularly taking UPI deposits. Baby Doge. So Baby Doge is an interesting coin. So most of these coins are like normal. Some of these coins like FLOKI, Baby Doge, they also have something called a transaction tax. So whenever you deposit or withdraw these coins, there is like 1% or 10% tax you pay to the network. Some of the coins go to the miner, may sometimes. Most of the coins get burned. So through this, they reduce the supply. If you look at most of these coins, you look at Shiba, the supply is, look at Shiba, the supply is close to 589 trillion, 519 billion, 962 million, 537,304. 537,304. So 589 trillion coins are there. So if Shiba Inu has to increase in price, some of these coins have to be burnt or have some kind of a burning mechanism. So these coins like Baby Doge, FLOKI, they tried a new thing, Safe Moon. They all experimented with this new thing, even Bryce for that matter, which is called a transaction tax. So that is the unique thing about these coins. But it is just another meme coin. That's what I would say. Baby Doge has a very strong community, but it is still not listed in, say, Binance. Probably that is one of the reasons why the price is still not that high as other exchanges or other meme coins. So it's an interesting project. If you like it, I'm happy about it. And the performance also has been like kind of middling. Baby Doge has not given great performance when you compare to other coins like, say, Shiba Inu, FLOKI, PEPE, Bonk. Bonk is safe on holding. Shiba Inu details Tamil. Tamil, I'm doing a separate video. Hindi also, I'll do a separate video. Bonk is safe for holding. Like I said, there is no reason why you should hold meme coins for a long time. Keep booking profits. Take your initial capital out. If you have made good profits in Bonk, keep 50% of the holding and sell 50%, because you need to keep booking profits, because meme coins, we never know when it will crash. It can go 10x from here also. That's why I'm saying don't sell everything, right? Sell part of it, keep booking profits. Any meme coin, I will not say it's safe to hold, especially after it has pumped a lot. When something has pumped a lot of people will be looking to book profits. At that point of time, dumping will happen. So it's better to keep taking small profits of meme coins that are done well. If they're not doing well, also have your stop loss, exit. If they're doing well, also keep taking some money out. Mohan has asked, when will Shiba Inu go to 1 rupee? Like I explained, if it goes to 1 rupee, Shiba Inu market cap will become 589 trillion. Vikram has made a detailed video on this in YouTube. It is available in our channel. You can check. For that to happen, Shiba Inu has to create some kind of a burning mechanism. Some of the token supply has to reduce. Only then it can reach 1 rupee. Otherwise, it's very difficult. Or All the people who are holding Shiba Inu should take a promise that they will not sell at any cost, or they will only sell at 1 rupee. If everyone decides that and no one sells below 1 rupee, the price becomes 1 rupee. But these things we can talk, but it's very difficult to execute. Bong coin, when it goes to 1 rupee, all those things, I think the same thing. Tron future. See, Tron has a decent USDT volume. That has been the key thing, differentiation between Tron and, let's say, Ethereum network. Tron network is cheap, but in the last few couple of years, you also have a lot of alternatives like Arbitrum is there, Optimism is there, Binance Chain is there to transfer all these tokens. So Tron network needs to keep coming up with something. Justin Sun bought Huobi, he bought Poloniex. He has been trying to create some kind of value by doing different things. We have to watch out for the roadmap and how they're executing, what is the traction. As of, again, Tron has not given a great performance in the last 1 year. So most of the mid-cap coins like Matic, Ripple, Tron, Litecoin, they have only had average performance in the last 1 year. We have to watch out what it's going to do for next 6 months. So PiCoin, I've already explained, most of that is scam. What about STC? So STC, basically Saitama has done two rebrandings. First, Saitama became Saitama V2, and from Saitama V2, it got converted to STC. As of now, I don't see a large number of people talking about Saitama coin in Twitter. The narrative is slowly dying. So generally, it makes sense to, if you have made losses in these coins, like I said, keep stop loss, sell them, and try to make fresh investments. It doesn't make sense if your asset price is just going on the downward direction, because there needs to be something that changes. Like most likely, it will keep maintaining that direction. If you see a narrative change, that is when you can re-enter. Otherwise, it makes no sense. Anand asks, sir, which coin you can invest for long-term investment? I'll say only Bitcoin and Ethereum, and to a little extent Solana and BNB. These are the four coins I'll say you can invest for a long-term perspective. Most of the other coins are for short-term flip. You buy low and sell high. That's the idea. But these four coins probably you can hold for a long time, and all four have given very good returns in the last couple of years, and even in previous cycles. These coins have been there from 2017-18, and they have given good returns for investors, and they have a proper use case. A lot of people use them on a day-to-day basis. People trade on Binance, use BNB chain. Most of the meme coin trading happens in Solana ecosystem. Solana has a very good network in terms of number of trades it can process at the per second. It is like 100 times faster than Solana. Ethereum is much more secure. Ethereum is much more reliable. Solana network keeps breaking down, but capacity is very high in Solana. So these are the key differences. Any video available to trade in Giottus other than investing? Just we'll be doing another webinar on how to do actual trading, how to do technical analysis. As of now, how to use spot exchange kind of videos are there, but how to use technical analysis, how do you actually become a better trader, these kind of videos we have not made it, but this year we are planning to make videos on all these subjects. Will crypto ban worldwide in next 5 to 10 years? Very, 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 very zero chance, because you see in US they have approved the ETF for Bitcoin. Ethereum ETFs got approved. In Japan, 5 years before itself, they have regulated cryptocurrencies. And in European Union also, there are laws that are coming that regulates cryptocurrency. So once you have like around 100 million people holding some amount of crypto, if some government comes and says it's going to go to zero, black market will be created. And even right now, you have something called a tax heaven. People have put their money in Switzerland. People put their money in Mauritius or this British Virgin Islands, Seychelles, Costa Rica. So when some of the countries try to ban crypto, people will move to countries where crypto is legal. So unless all the 200 countries come together and say all of them are banning crypto, this is never going to happen. And it's most likely that everyone will regulate, because regulation is easy, banning is tough. When will futures trade come to Giottus? Futures is coming in July, 100%. So we are building the futures product. So soon you will see futures. Chanje as well, lovely. See, most of the meme coins are very similar in terms of what they are. They are meme coins with no utility. but every community is different. If you go to Twitter, follow a particular coin, like say Baby Doge, Shiba Doge, go to the Telegram community. If you have a Discord, join them. See how people believe in it. It's almost like a religion, right? Some people believe in Hinduism, some people believe in Islam, some people believe in Christianity. Meme coins are also like that. Some people believe in particular meme coin just because they hold. Even other coins like Ripple, Bitcoin, Ethereum, they have their own community. But outside the community, they also have an utility. But if you look at meme coin, the only thing they have, or even NFTs, the only thing they have is community. So you need to understand the community, how strong the community is, whether the community is going to grow, whether the community trusts that ecosystem, community likes that way that coin is roadmap is. So all those things are very important. So go study the community. That is the only differentiator when it comes to meme coins, apart from whether it's a dog, frog, or a cat. So any other website for analyzing crypto fundamentals? CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap are very good. Nansen is another very good website. DBank is another good website. There are a lot of websites. I will do a separate video on good tools that are available in crypto ecosystem that you can use to analyze the overall fundamentals of crypto. PyCoin, like I already explained, this is mostly I don't see any value in it. Just because you spend some effort, mind it, doesn't mean it should have some value. I don't see PyCoin trading in any major exchange, so it's better to forget it. If something happens in future, keep your PyCon safe. Maybe you'll be able to deposit and sell, but don't get scammed with someone in the P2P saying they'll buy your PyCoins. You do this, you do that. At that point of time, they might try to steal your other coins. Right? Be extremely careful in dealing with strangers, especially even if you are going to involve in DEX ecosystem. Try to keep a separate wallet where you store your major holding. For trading, use a separate wallet, because there are a lot of scams that are happening, especially to new beginner people in crypto. So you need to be storing your 95% of your wealth in a different wallet. Day-to-day trading wallet, keep very minimal amount, only what you're using to trade at that point of time. It is okay if the trading fees, transaction fees is slightly high. You buy here, you move it to that wallet, but it's a very good practice. A lot of people have lost millions of dollars because they gave some approval in a DEX that they didn't understand. So never keep more money in the trading wallet. Keep a separate wallet for storing coins. Trading is separate, storing is separate. Or even it's a bad practice to keep your coins in an exchange, even that is fine, rather than using the same wallet for trading and storing crypto. So it's very important. Is Dogecoin going to 1 year this year or last? See, today a lot of people predicted BJP going to 300, 350. It's very hard to predict, right? So many people got it wrong. So many people. So the same thing, it comes to coin price also. It is very difficult to say something like this will happen or not. We have to look at the trajectory. Doge has gone 76% up for whatever you are saying to happen, right? If you go to Doge, it is 0.15. It needs to do another 600 percentage. Or like 600 percentage. If it does, we can expect to see Doge above $1. 600 percentage, I am not very hopeful. I mean, anything can happen in crypto world. Things have gone crazier in a shorter time frame, but it is less chance. I will not say zero chance. Doge going to $1 within this year is less chance. Maybe over next 4 5 years, definitely very high chance. Being the original meme coin, it will always have some value. I don't see it going to zero in the short term, but this year reaching $1 would be difficult. I think I have covered most of the questions here. If I not answered any particular question, please post it in the chat. I'll spend another 5 minutes answering the question. People are asking for copy trading, introducing more staking programs. Is there any idea to launch our own token? See, about copy trading and adding more coins, we definitely like your inputs. Please share them in our Telegram page also. You can also send mails to support. We seriously look at all feedback. This week, we are launching 23 new tokens, right? Tokens like Notcoin, bounce back coin. So many coins we are launching this week. So watch out. Some of the coins that you're asking here may be already there, and some of the coins you are mentioning here, if it's not there in this list, if we understand the fundamentals are good, it's available in big exchanges, there's good trading volume, there's good community, we'll definitely launch. uh, Sure Entertainment, Kratos coin is something that we will look at. Guntur Isaac has asked, are you launching your own coin? See, at this point of time, government is going to regulate. SEBI has already shown interest. The new government will form. We have to look the next 2-3 months. If the regulations are coming, at that point of time, if SEBI is looking at Giottus having its own coin as a problem, we don't want to do that. It's very good opportunity for us to earn money, but legally, regulation wise, there is slight complication of launching a coin in India. If you're going to do it, we have to do outside India, an ICO, somewhere out of Seychelles or like Costa Rica, and it's a roundabout way. So we will definitely announce if you are going to launch a coin. Watch out for this space. Uh, so Telegram link. So in Telegram, go to @Giottus. There are again fake groups. Okay, you can search for @Giottus in Telegram, or you can go to our website. In website bottom, we are given links to all the Telegram groups. Also, one kind request: please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are going to do regular videos on all these topics, all the happening topics about which tools to use, how to trade, how to do technical analysis. We are going to do regular videos in multiple languages. Please subscribe to our channel so that next time something like this happens, you will get a notification. And this video is also going to be available in YouTube. You can always watch it fully. Internet core is also a good coin. Bro, TDS and tax will reduce in future years. Mahesh, definitely. So along with other exchanges, we have made a representation to the central government to reduce TDS to 0.01 percentage. And government is also seeing some value in that. Most probably within 3 months or by next budget, the TDS percentage will definitely reduce. We've also asked government to allow set off of losses, carry forward of losses, and also at par treatment with stocks. Just how stocks are treated from tax perspective, same treatment needs to be given to crypto. That is the representation we have given. Slowly, they are seeing some value. Earlier, it was like a unregulated space. Now we are a reporting entity under FIU. We are also a reporting entity in I4C, which is like Indian Center for Cyber Coordination. ASIC also given us the rules for advertising guidelines. So multiple levels, different departments of the government have shown and given clarity about crypto. So slowly we are building this trust with the government, and hopefully government also listens to us. At least TDS within 3 to 6 months, we should see some good progress. Hopefully it's reduced to 0.01 percentage. Will Zil, is there any chance for us to participate in Giottus future development? Uh, so probably that is the reason why we should launch a coin, right? Without that, probably when we go in IPO, you can definitely see. And if you are a good blockchain developer, if you can add value to Giottus, please write to support@giottus.com. If you can add value, and you can also connect to me in LinkedIn. If you want to join Giottus in some kind of role, want to understand your profile, your background, your experience, and based on that we can, and our openings, we can take a call. Ton coin, please explain. See, Ton is basically a Telegram open network. So it is a coin created by the founder of Telegram. They wanted to build more utilities on Telegram chain and use Ton as the currency for the Telegram. Now it has entered the top 10, which is surprising. It made no noise when it entered top 10 coins. It has done a fantastic job in the last few months. So that is about Ton. Ton is basically a coin for Telegram. If you want to purchase Telegram Premium, if you want to use some services of Telegram, and probably at some point of time, it's like a Telegram payment system it's going to develop. We need to watch out for it. Kun Reddy has asked for fundamentals of crypto. See, fundamentals of crypto is, see, why does a particular coin get some value? There should be some reason, right? So if you look at meme coins, I said community is the most important thing. Apart from community also, there are other things that you can see in the presentation. Circulating supply, that means how many tokens are out there. What is the fully diluted market cap? That means for each token out there, if everything is going to get sold at current price, what will be the total value? that kind of says what is the total market cap. You can compare this with gold market cap, you can compare that with Bitcoin market cap. So how many wallets are holding, if the number of wallets holding that particular coin is increasing or decreasing. So these are the kind of fundamental analysis you can do. You can also look at the team before this, what they have created, what is their track record. Is the team doxed? Doxed means we know their names, like Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin, or the team undoxed, like Bitcoin. We don't know who the founder is, Satoshi Nakamoto. So these kind of things. So Kaspa has also done fantastically well in last 6 months. So see, there are 250 coins. It's very difficult for me to comment on each of the 250 coins. Even I will not be aware of the fundamentals of like 100 coins, right? We have a separate team which looks at all these coins. I have been explaining based on what I knew, right? Some of these coins, I have fair understanding. I explained, but I don't know about all coins. See, we are also going to have more webinars. I'll try to cover up more. See, already we are running out of time. It has been 80 minutes since I started. How to contact? So you can see the presentation, the last slide. This is our customer care number, right? 78248 You can call this number. You can mail it support@giottus.com, and you can also reach out to me in LinkedIn. LinkedIn, you can search for Arjun Vijay. You should be able to connect to me. You can go to LinkedIn and type Arjun Vijay. Please reach out to me in LinkedIn. I'll be sharing you my contact details from LinkedIn. Sure. Thank you, guys. I'm going to end this stream as it's already been a long time. Thank you, guys. Thank Wilzel for ending this with a sweet comment. Giottus is much better than any other exchange in India. We love Giottus. Thank you, Wilzel. I'm very happy. Thank you, Sarasai. Thank you.